Hey there, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your iPhone 11 Pro Max from AT&T so that you can use it with any carrier. Let's go. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your iPhone 11 Pro Max so that you can use it with any other carrier that you wish to use it with. Maybe you're on a contract and you want to leave the company that you're with because you're overpaying and you want to change to another carrier, or maybe you need to travel overseas and have your phone unlocked so that you can use it overseas with another SIM card from another carrier. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your iPhone 11 Pro Max so that you can be able to do that. And there's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video in the description down below. All right, let's continue with the video now. All right, so here we have a iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this one is from AT&T, and I'm going to be showing you how to unlock it so that you can use it with any other carrier. All right, so first off, we're going to go ahead and remove the SIM card, and then I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you insert a SIM card from another carrier. So here is the AT&T SIM card, and let's go ahead and place a SIM card from another carrier. Here we have T-Mobile. You're going to place it in the SIM tray, place it in the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it's going to take us straight to this activation screen. Go ahead and hit dismiss, swipe up, hit continue, and it's going to give us a SIM not supported message. And this is the message you're going to get if your phone is locked to a certain carrier and you're putting in a SIM card from another carrier. So I'm going to show you how you're going to unlock your iPhone now. So a couple things before I show you. Go ahead and remove the SIM card and SIM card tray that you want to use. Let's put it down here real quick. So two things. First thing, you're going to need to be connected to Wi-Fi. So connect to Wi-Fi. Second thing is you're going to need to be updated to the newest iOS. So this one right here, we're going to go to software update and make sure that your software is up to date. Once you have those two things, you're ready to go. So next thing we're going to need is obviously the SIM card that you want to use. In this case, the T-Mobile one. And you're going to need this unlock chip. There's going to be a link to this down below in the description. Make sure you get the right one, which is the one that we have linked down below, and you're going to place it right above the SIM card that you want to use. So we're going to place it like this. You're going to place it just a little bit sticking out from the SIM card tray. So you're going to see it's going to stick out just a little bit like that. Position it correctly on top of the SIM card though, and then we're going to place it into the iPhone gently and slowly. So we're going to place it in like that. Make sure that the black unlock chip does go in first. So push it in gently and position it correctly, align it properly, and then push the rest of the SIM card tray in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to give it a few seconds, maybe about a minute, for it to read the SIM card with the unlock chip. And there you go. After a few seconds, this menu should pop up. This is the unlock menu. We're going to go here to the third option, which says Cyber Mode. And then here we're going to select the option all the way at the bottom, which is Cyber Manual 2. Here we're going to make sure that we have the correct ICCID typed in. This is also going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and hit send, and then it's going to give us this message. Okay, go ahead and hit accept. And it's going to take us back to the activation screen here. We're going to hit dismiss, swipe up, and hit continue. And then we're going to give it a few seconds. It's going to read the SIM card and unlock SIM, and it's going to take us to the home screen. And there you go. It took us to the home screen. Once it brings you here, we're going to go back to settings. We're going to go to where it says cellular over here. Go to cellular data options and make sure that enable LTE and data roaming are both enabled. Then we're going to go back. We're going to go to network selection, and we're going to disable automatic. So turn automatic off. It's going to give us a list of carriers, and we're going to choose the carrier that we want to use. In this case, T-Mobile. So select T-Mobile or the carrier that you want to use. Go ahead and go back. Then we're going to go into SIM applications, and then we're going to select reactivate. It's going to give us this message, signal uploading. Go ahead and hit dismiss here in the activation screen. We're going to swipe up, and we're going to give it a few seconds for it to read the SIM card and unlock the iPhone. You can go ahead and hit continue here. It's going to try and activate the iPhone now with the SIM card and the unlock SIM. And it might give us the SIM not supported message. There you go. But no worries. Just wait right here a few seconds, and it's going to unlock the device and take us to the home screen. There you go. It unlocked it. And then now just give it a few seconds for it to pick up signal completely. There we go. Messages coming in. We can go ahead and turn Wi-Fi off now so that we can test test the data and test all the functions of the device. So as you can see, LTE is working. We're gonna go into the Safari here and we're gonna go into a website. So let's go to like Google. There you go, Google's working. Let's go to Apple. Apple's working as well. And let's try and make a phone call. So just for test, I'm gonna call Comcast. Turn speaker on.
Welcome to Comcast, home of
There you go. So phone calls, text messages, and data, everything will work completely fine once your phone is unlocked. All right, so the only other thing you got to do is make sure you keep your SIM card with the unlocked SIM in there. So don't remove it. If you do, you'll have to place it back in and you should be good to go. All right, so that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like if it helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.